What if your body stopped aging? Right now, no wrinkles, no weakness, no slow decline. Your body stays at its absolute peak forever. Sounds perfect, right? But before you choose immortality, listen to what happens next. In this world, your body never ages. Your muscles stay strong, your heart stays healthy, your organs never fail, you don't get old, you don't get sick. Your mind keeps learning, thinking, and remembering while your body stays frozen in time. Years pass, decades pass, centuries pass, and you're still here, physically. You would be unstoppable. You could run at full speed even at 120 years old. Your bones would never weaken. Your reflexes would stay sharp. Your memory would stay clear. A 200-year-old version of you could lift, sprint, and think better than most people in their 20s. From the outside, you'd look like a miracle, but miracles always come with a cost. Aging happens because our cells slowly break down. DNA gets damaged. Cells stop repairing themselves. Telomeres, tiny caps on our DNA, shorten with every division. But in this scenario, that never happens. Your cells repair perfectly. Your DNA stays clean. Your body renews itself endlessly. Scientists are already trying to slow aging to aging gene therapy, cell regeneration, and anti-aging research. So this idea isn't fantasy, it's just far ahead of our time. Now comes the part nobody talks about. Everyone you love keeps aging. Your parents grow old. Your friends wrinkle and weaken. Your partner changes while you don't. Then one day, they're gone. And it doesn't happen once. It happens again, and again, and again. Immortality doesn't stop loss. It multiplies it. Over time, you stop getting attached to it because you already know the ending. Now imagine millions of people who never age. The population explodes. Jobs never open up. Leaders never step down. Power stays locked in the same hands forever. Governments would have to decide who gets to stop aging and who doesn't. A world without aging might sound advanced, but it could become the most unequal world ever created. Here's the biggest question. If life never ends, does it still matter? Deadlines give life urgency. Aging makes moments valuable. Knowing time is limited gives meaning to love, dreams, and choices. If tomorrow always exists, do you ever truly live today? Maybe aging isn't a flaw. Maybe it's the reason life feels real. So would you choose a body that never ages? Or would you choose a life that burns bright because it doesn't last forever? Now I want to hear from you. Would you want to stop aging if you had the chance? Comment yes or nitrogen monoxide below and tell me why. If this made you think, like the video, subscribe for more what-if stories, and share this with someone who loves science and deep questions. Because the future isn't just something we wait for, it's something we imagine.